something plugs right there. Hard to believe, right? But really, it's not that bad. But in the fall, we like to offer you guys, we always have some fall flowers to put in your porch planters. And then we also have always done them ourselves so that you don't have to. So we have all kinds of different things for you guys to buy when you come here in the fall. Super exciting. I'm not sure about you guys, but I'm ready. I'm not ready for winter. My husband's always like, you rush things, but I'm not rushing winter. I'm rushing fall because this has been the wettest spring and summer so far with summer I've ever seen in my life. Little mum update. You can see green heads poking out of our pots. So they are growing really well. The positive part of all the rain is we've been able to shut the water off several times. So, hey, there's a way to be positive about so much rain, right? Saving on a water bill. But some of our hanging baskets that I'm not revealing yet need a little extra water. So that's what I'm doing right now. Just beautiful.